Hi all. Welcome to Missan IT Solutions, where we make IT happen.
Hello everyone, this is Alan with you from Missan IT team Sharjah, and I would be really happy to give you a small brief on approvals in Microsoft Teams feature. Get all your documents easily approved using Microsoft Teams approval, like whether let it be a project proposal or a client agreement or a contract detail, all such documents can be easily approved now. Approvals in Microsoft Teams is a hub to request, view, and manage all your approvals. All files from SharePoint, from Power Automate, and Microsoft Dynamics 365, much more can be managed using this feature. In Microsoft Teams, go to the Approvals tab and raise a new approval request. Fill in all the necessary details and select the Send option to raise a approval request. The approver can easily sign off on a request right from the chat option after viewing the description. Whether you need a client discount, expense report, a vacation request, the request can be easily approved faster using Microsoft Teams approval feature. As you see in the tab, you can view all the status of your recently sent and received approvals, whether it is requested, whether it is approved, rejected, all such can be managed and viewed using Microsoft Teams approval feature. So manage it all with Microsoft Teams approval. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.